I know that you will love it because honestly, the hair don't lie, the colors don't lie. Hey guys, it's Kirsten. Welcome to Kirsten Naturally. Today we're talking about this lovely hair of mine. Just playing, but not really. So anyways, I have made purple/blue shampoo by myself with no food coloring. That's the big important part here because everybody is doing it with food coloring, which isn't really super natural to me. So why would you do blue shampoo versus purple? Let's talk about that first. If you look at the color wheel, blue is on the opposite side of orange, meaning that blue and orange will cancel each other out. So if you have those more orangey, brassy tones, which I had a lot of, I tried this first. I really wanted to see how this would work, and it has worked wonderfully. I mean, this is all from just blue. Now, I wanted to show you guys what purple looks like. All I did was add just a little bit of ACV. You can see here, just a tiny bit, okay, to your blue shampoo. And that's gonna give you this awesome purple color here. So when you get this awesome purple color, that's gonna cancel out more of the yellowy brassy tones, which a lot of people are looking to get out. Purple shampoo is usually the most popular. So I'm gonna try this one for the next couple of weeks, and I'll give you guys some updates on how that works. I'm gonna give you the recipe for this. It's very simple. All you're gonna need to buy is a little bit of Butterfly Pea Flower. So this is just a dried pea flower, butterfly pea plant. I'll let you see kind of what it looks like. It's this nice, pretty blue flower that I actually got it for kombucha so that I could make purple kombucha. When you mix it with anything acidic, so apple cider vinegar, any type of vinegar, baking soda, you're gonna change the acidity and you're gonna turn it purple, which is why it makes purple kombucha and why it makes purple shampoo if you add a little bit of ACV, like I said. So this is a really awesome tool for not just purple shampoo, but anything that you wanna dye, blue or purple, you can use these awesome butterfly pea flowers. What we're gonna do today is show you just how this works. I'm gonna show you how to make it. You can use really any shampoo you like. I'll show you what shampoos I like and what I use, and let's get started. All right, perfect timing. So let's take the boiling water off, and we're gonna put Butterfly Pea Flower. I got a teaspoon measure here, and honestly, I'm just gonna feel it out. Then to add just a little bit of water because I want it to be really concentrated. Maybe a little bit more. I want this to be really purple, so I added a little bit more, and you can see already it's getting much more purple. And we're just gonna kind of let that steep. I mean, this is truly a tea concentrate, so we're just gonna treat it like a tea. Let it steep for a little bit, and since we're not drinking it and it's not caffeinated, we don't have to wait till like a 3 to 5 minute or anything. We can just wait till the desired color. And in the meantime, I'll show you the conditioner I'm gonna add. This is not the best by any means, but it's not too bad. It's got some pretty good herbs in there for your hair, like tea tree, peppermint, eucalyptus, rosemary is awesome, nettle, birch bark, aloe, horsetail is fantastic for hair growth. I mean, these are all awesome, so it's not bad. But there's a couple things. The point is, get yourself a little bit of shampoo that's not too harmful on your hair, and we're gonna mix it with this when it's all done, and that will be the purple shampoo. I've made enough that I can put some in a conditioner, I think, too. Looks like this is pretty good. I mean, that shit's pretty dark. All right, let's get started. I'm just gonna press these out to really get the purple and blue color out of there. And if you don't have a strainer like this, then you can always just press it up against the container once you poured it all in and kind of squeeze it out in there. Since I have this, I'll use this. It's quite a bit easier. Honestly, I recommend you getting something like this because it's been perfect for like everything in my life. And I think it actually came with our kombucha set, maybe, from like Cultures for Health. I'm gonna try to divide it between these two containers. I'm just gonna eye it out. So then we'll add shampoo first. And it's your choice how you do this. If you want to make it really watery, if you want it very shampoo-y, I'm gonna kind of go in between because I don't mind it being watery. I don't mind working with that. I'm already used to doing weird shampoo methods sometimes. But if you want to go more conventional, traditional, I should say, and get it really creamy, you could do less water than I did, because this is just my first time, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing here. We're just testing stuff out. That's kind of how I do stuff around here. If you've never been to my channel before, that's kind of what I'm about. Trying things out, letting you guys see how it goes. Oh, the conditioner worked much better than shampoo. I mean, as you can guess. It's creamy. Look at that. That's awesome. It's beautiful. Perfect. So I am going to test it out. I'm gonna shower and see how these beauties do me. All right, I'm so excited. I'm about to hop in the shower and try this. This is the conditioner, and I'm really stoked for this one because, I mean, look at it, dude. It looks so cool. And like I said, the shampoo is a little bit more watery than maybe I'd prefer, but that was my own mistake. Next time, don't do as much water as I did. You guys, look how blue this is. This is really working out. Fuck what I said about being too watery. This is perfect. This is the best, dude. It's so foamy and lathered. I don't know how I've never discovered this before. The conditioner is awesome. I actually used all of it. So this is my hair after 5 or 6, I think. Yeah, 6 shampoos and conditioners. I put the Butterfly Pea Flower into both my shampoo and conditioner, and it definitely has whitened it up. It's so light, especially the parts that were already really light, they got white straight up. So it definitely works. I recommend ordering some yourself and trying it out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope that you try it, and I know that you will love it because honestly, the hair don't lie. The colors don't lie. And my best friend was just here to visit, and she has brown brunette hair. She has these lighter strips in the front, and she was using my shampoo and conditioner when she was staying here for like 10 days, and her lighter strips got so much more blonde. It was crazy to watch it happen. So even if you don't have like fully blonde hair and you just have little tiny bits, it will definitely lighten up those little bits, and it will keep the darker colors the same since it won't interact with those. Yeah, I'm very excited for you to try it. I hope you enjoy, and please let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.